Welcome to our Doodly review. You can find our in-depth review article in the description. Doodly is used to create whiteboard animations. The program has a drag-and-drop interface that makes creating drawings simple. Doodly provides the following features: images and designs already created, free music, video editing, sharing and exporting, styles of boards, styles of hands. Doodle offers two pricing plans. Standard, $39 per month, Enterprise, $69 per month, 30 days money-back guarantee available. Doodly offers a lifetime deal when they retarget you on Facebook, so for $67 you get all the features that Doodly offers. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, please share it with your friends. Subscribe and like the video.